welcome to the 5th annual EC Futures Careers Fair at Coventry University.
Today we have over 50 employers exhibiting to students and speaking about internships, placements and graduate positions.
The Careers Fair is just one example of the way in which we embed employability into the curriculum and help students to secure employment before they leave the university.
We work with a range of employers all throughout the year, and if you want to get involved, we look forward to hearing from you.
Hi, my name is Seema Shad. I'm in my final year of computer science and I did my placement at the MTC, the Manufacturing Technology Centre, as an IT support engineer. It was a great opportunity for me. I extended my placement after 1 year to 15 months in total. It helped me become more mature, it helped me improve my confidence, my presentation skills and most importantly my knowledge in itself, how different the course can be to the industry.
Finished the Software Engineering Academy. It's a really exciting opportunity. Got to meet a lot of people inside the business at different levels. Had a lot of opportunities to present to senior stakeholders. Now that I've finished my scheme, I've moved on to a full delivery team working on Now TV. It's really great to get such responsibility early on in my career. My advice for people who are looking to apply to the graduate schemes and the placements is to be interested in the actual course. It doesn't matter too much about your skills coming in, it's more that you're willing to learn and you work well as a team.
This is the second careers fair that I've attended at Coventry in the 3 months that I've been at Vinci, and we find them really useful to build up contacts with students, both looking for placement years and also for graduate positions when they finish their studies. A big part of the roles within Vinci is autonomy in terms of initiative and applying yourself, and entrepreneurial spirit is another thing that we're really keen on, so bringing new ideas and perhaps examples of where they've put forward new ideas in their studying and things like that is very valuable to us as an organisation.
Working with Coventry University and EC Futures for 5 years now. We've taken internship students and placed them throughout many facilities within Bosch in the UK. It's been an excellent event here today. We've met many students and we've had lots and lots of interest in all the different application activities that we have here, including graduate placements and also internships. The skills we're looking for in our graduate placement skills is not only the academic activities but also your ability to communicate and interface. We've got large teams that we work with within Bosch and we need to place you within those teams and you need to be able to interface and communicate with the people within them.
I would say don't think about the technical too much. It's a lot about your communication skills, how you work in a team on the assessment centre, because they all know you go to university, everyone does the same maths, physics. What stands you out is if you can communicate, if you can go up to someone and ask them a question, if you can voice your opinion, make that heard. That is definitely what makes you stand out, and that's what the recruiter has told me. Definitely have a lot of help from the EC Futures team. Last year I did a module for placement preparation. A lot of help. We did a practice assessment centre down in one of the companies. They definitely helped a lot with my CV. My CV improved dramatically. They're one of the best in the country and awarded so.
I've seen some really positive candidates today. They've been very well prepared. They've all come with their CVs, a lot of them have been suited and booted, so they're really treating this as an opportunity to either find a placement or a graduate job that would suit them. So I think they've been very impressive and very engaging and asking a lot of inquisitive questions, which is always really helpful. The cover letter is really what sells, so the CV tells all the details, but they really need to put across that passion as to why we should really pluck them out from a pile of paper and go, do you know what, we have a chat with them.
I would say is always tailor your application, so don't send off 100 applications to 100 companies, it's not going to work. Find maximum 15 companies that you really like and spend a lot of time on those applications, working really closely with the careers team to make sure that they're as good as possible before you send them off. EC Futures work really closely with Rate My Placement. They're also won our Best University Placement Service at the National Undergraduate Employability Awards for 2 years running. One concern that many employers have is that students aren't necessarily work ready when they're still doing their degree, but I think you would be really surprised at how much students can achieve in a year. It's a really great learning experience and brings a completely different perspective into the workplace as well. Everyone has obviously done their research, knows who they need to talk to, what they need to be saying. They've brought CVs along, which is really great because then they can talk through their experience as well, and we can direct them on to other employers. So really good fair, loving it.